Imagine a future where Andhra Pradesh becomes a beacon of quantum computing innovation. This is exactly what the state government is aiming for with its latest bold move. The Andhra Pradesh government has officially approved the installation of a state-of-the-art IBM quantum computer at the Amaravati Quantum Computing Centre, AQCC, a key step in their ambitious plan to create a quantum valley in Amaravati. But here's where it gets controversial. The government is offering a substantial rental subsidy to IBM, raising questions about the balance between public investment and private gain. The decision was greenlit by the State Quantum Mission, led by Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu, who envisions Amaravati as a future hub for cutting-edge technology. The Capital Region Development Authority, CRDA, has already set aside 50 acres of land for this purpose, signaling strong institutional support. The AQCC, which operates under the state government, is designed to be a center for advanced research and development in quantum computing. It will provide valuable resources and services not only to universities, but also to startups, industries, and research organizations across multiple sectors. This collaborative approach aims to accelerate innovation and practical applications of quantum technology. IBM's contribution involves installing a powerful 133-qubit quantum computer equipped with 5,000 quantum gates, housed within a 2,000-square-foot facility. To ensure the system runs flawlessly, the state government will supply secure networking infrastructure, sophisticated cooling mechanisms, and a reliable, uninterrupted power supply, critical components for maintaining the delicate quantum environment. In a significant financial commitment, the government has approved a rental subsidy of Rs 30,000 per square foot for IBM's facility. In exchange, IBM will provide the state with 365 hours of free quantum computing time annually. This time will be allocated to government bodies and educational programs, potentially democratizing access to this cutting-edge technology. But this arrangement also sparks debate. Is the subsidy justified by the benefits, or could these funds be better spent elsewhere? Adding to the momentum, Bengaluru-based startup QPi AI is set to establish a smaller quantum computer at the Wits University campus in Amaravati, investing Rs 6 crore in the project. This initiative is expected to boost local innovation, cultivate homegrown talent, and enhance quantum computing education and practical applications within the region. IT Secretary Kadamaneni Bhaskar emphasized the broader vision behind these developments, stating, "This initiative will position Amaravati as a national hub for quantum technology. This is not just an infrastructure project. It's a leap into the future of computing, offering opportunities for research, entrepreneurship, and skill development in one of the most promising fields in technology." This milestone represents a pivotal moment in Andhra Pradesh's technology roadmap, potentially transforming the state into a leader in the rapidly evolving quantum computing landscape. But it also raises important questions. How will this investment impact the local economy in the long run? Will the benefits of quantum computing reach the wider public or remain confined to elite institutions? We invite you to share your thoughts. Do you agree with this vision, or do you see potential pitfalls? Let's start the conversation.